Hi friends, do you like crispy chicken pakoda? Today we are going to make crispy chicken pakoda.
Try this chicken pakoda along with egg fried rice or veg fried rice. It's very tasty. Since the chicken is crispy, you can just have this chicken pakoda along. It has a special taste. Let's move to the video. To marinate chicken, in a bowl take 500 grams of chicken with bone. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Cover and keep the marinated chicken in refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take the marinated chicken. Add half cup of Besan Flour, 2.5 tablespoon rice flour, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 egg white, chopped curry leaves, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Now in a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add the chicken pieces and deep fry on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our crispy chicken pakoda is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.